Yeah. This poem is entitled I Feel. And, yeah, it's just self-explanatory. I started off writing it about somebody, and then I kind of changed it around, changed the definition. So, the strange compulsive feeling of being unwanted has risen. I feel like a God-forsaken project. Soon I will be tossed to the side to the demise of their needs. They are taking me for granted. I feel the deprived feeling of neglect, mistaken for my body, opposed to taken for my mind. They think I will never find out. Although right now I may not be able to figure them out, my mind still hates them. I can't understand, and what I don't understand can't be compatible with my needs, my wants. In this game they play, I always become the loser. In this box they put me in, I only get a corner. Me, I'm irrelevant. I make no difference in their lives. I'm another object, a non-feeling, unsympathetic, non-suffering object. I don't matter. Continually contradicted by their actions, words, and superiority. Unacknowledged for my inner heart and what it feels. Divided by the difference of their gender and mine. They put me in the fire, watch me burn, take me out, then deport me to deserted Alaska. They are the judge, and I the criminal. But I'm not doing anything wrong. My only fault was loving them. My only crime was trying to save them. Wounding my heart, soul, mind, to rescue their integrity. But they stripped me down, nakedness, I had nothing left. They robbed me, took my thoughts, stole my pride. I am unwanted. I am a God-forsaken project. I was tossed because of the demise of their needs. I was taken for granted. I was neglected. I wanted to be free. Freedom never came. But I insisted on loving America and opportunity. But it never came. I was mistaken, misinterpreted, misunderstood. My color spoke. According to America, it said I'm uneducated, despiteful. You can't love a nigger. It said I have no capabilities, no pride. I will be a maid and a sex object. That's my only role in society. Nothing matters. Nobody cares. I loved America, but did she ever love me? Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.